A dramatic late-night incident involving socialite and church figure Olinda Chapio sent shockwaves across social media on Wednesday after she live-streamed what she alleged was a violent raid by suspected state security agents at a Harare residence. Sarabda Mashukubda Pangwana Chinzi, Collins Mnangagwa named in Olinda's alleged violent CIO Harare house raid. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. The confrontation unfolded in real time on Facebook Live, with a visibility distressed Olinda shouting instructions to children and family members as confusion and panic gripped the house. In the footage, she accused the alleged agents of assaulting children and staff, forcibly confiscating mobile phones and attempting to abduct or kill musician Desmond Stana Chideme, her current partner. According to sources close to the matter, the incident occurred shortly after Stana's estranged wife, Dioni Tafirenyika, had arrived at their house to collect a child. Olinda is currently staying with Stana at the residence. Sources claim Stana was refusing to release the child to Dioni, a development that is believed to have triggered the events that followed. Stana, born Desmond Chideme, is a controversial hip-hop artist whose personal life has frequently drawn public attention. He was previously married to Dioni Tafrenyika, with whom he has a child, and has had a string of high-profile relationships that have often intersected with Zimbabwe's political elite. Adding a politically sensitive dimension to the unfolding drama, Olinda, during the broadcast, named several powerful individuals she accused of orchestrating the raid, including President Sisant Colin Mnangagwa. Colin last year officially engaged Dion's sister, a relationship that further entangled the private dispute within elite family networks. The connections have fueled intense public speculation, particularly given that Stana was previously linked to socialite Pokelo Nare, who later married Emerson Jr., another of the president's sons. These overlapping relationships have long made Stana's personal affairs a subject of public fascination and controversy. In the emotionally charged live stream, Olinda was yet pleading with those she said were inside her home. Ndo mashukano mudapangwa ine watuna kuti aiwa some of Mnangagwa sons voya vachimenchenewa paeredhiyo itika kumba kwa Olinda. Ndinangume section pedu dzafungura ema kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.